Ontario's most magical tulip experience, GV Niagara Tulip Farm. Today we are visiting one of the most beautiful spring destinations in Ontario, the GV Niagara Tulip Experience located in Pelham, Niagara region. This amazing tulip farm features over 2 million colorful tulips blooming across massive fields, creating a breathtaking spring views everywhere you look. If you love nature, photography, road trips, or peaceful outdoor experience, this place is definitely worth visiting with family and friends. The drive from Toronto takes around 1 hour and 30 minutes depending on traffic, making it a perfect day trip during tulip seasons. One of the best parts of this experience is you pick tulip field. Every ticket includes 10 tulips that you can personally pick and take home. If you want more flowers, additional tulips are available for $1.50 for each. Weekday ticket prices: adults $19.91, children $16.50. Weekend ticket costs a little more than weekdays. Location: Pelham, Niagara region, Ontario. Important you pick rules. Bulb must stay in the ground. Please only pick flowers you want to keep. Do not put big tulips back into the soil. Farm rules: no pets allowed except certified service dog. Stay on the pathway and avoid stepping on flowers. Drones are not allowed without permission. Outside food is not allowed on weekend, but food trucks are available. The farm operates rain or shine, so be prepared for changing weather conditions. Ticket policy: all ticket sales are final, but you can change your visit date up to 24 hours before your scheduled booking time if spots are available. This place truly feels like walking through a colorful dream. The endless tulip fields, fresh spring air, peaceful atmosphere make it one of the best spring experiences in Ontario. Funny story about tulips: when I was a kid in India, a lot of people used to hang wall pictures of actor, actress, beautiful places and flowers in their home. And somehow tulips were always in those pictures. Honestly, back then I thought tulips weren't real. I seriously believed they were fake flowers made on computer or drawn by artists. Because I have never seen tulips in real life in India, Nepal, or in Asia. I used to look at them and think, no way flowers can naturally look this perfect and colorful. Now, years later, standing in real tulip farm, surrounded by millions of tulips, feels so good. Childhood me will be shocked knowing this flower actually exists in real life.
Oh